Whoa, never played this game before. Oh, let me just... Okay, now I can get this white car. Today we're gonna be making a car crash. Oh, well, RIP that car. No, what happened to my car? I want my car to go the other way. Well, time to run over your car. Goodbye. Oh wait, no, that seems a bit wrong. That's an ambulance, and I don't want to. Ow! Die! Die! Okay. There's a red car here. There's an ambulance. Oh, they're crashing! They're crashing! Ah! Ow! What's that for? Hey, don't. Ow. Ow! Stop! You're hurting me! Oh, I'm gonna run over this. Oh, never mind. I'm going over the speed limit. Where's the car? Where was the car I was about to run over? I'm going really fast. Oh no. I think I see the car. Oh, I see it. Ah! Ow! Stop! You're hurting me! You're using your power for evil! Okay, now I need to go over here. Oh, that car's fast. Ow! I'm going to run over the cars, which is like right. Oh! Ah! Ow! Ow! Ah! What is happening? Ow! I just got run over by someone, and now my screen is glitching out. Oh. Subscribe now.